Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to talk about not operator. That means we want to go opposite way. So let's take a look on the this scenarios and see how exactly we can use the not operator. So in this case, what I'm doing, I'm creating this customer table, and in the customer table, we are inserting some sample data. So customer table has customer ID, first name, last name. So now what we have here, we have some small data set here. Sorry, I created actually a table already, so I'm going to just insert the data. Now think about that when you want to get everything from the table, you're going to select the table and execute the statement. Now if you are interested to select where first name contains Amir, so see right there, I have Amir here, I have Amir here, and Amir here. So that's possible. You can simply go ahead and execute. Now it's returning you three records here. So it is a case insensitive. Right now, wherever it finds the value, it is returning you. But think about if you are interested to get everything but not Amir. Okay, so what you need to do here, you're gonna use this explanation mark or whatever you call this mark here. So that's what you're going to use before the contains. Once you do that, it's going to return you all the records but not where it contains Amir. So you see right there, this returns all the records but where in fname does not contain Amir anymore. So this can be also case sensitive as well. So think about that. If we are returning all the records where the name is equal to AAMIR, now in this case I'm specifically telling it give me the data which exactly match by the case. Though this can be also used with the not. So if I'm going to do that, what happen? It's going to return me everything, but where data is not equal to A capital and the rest of the letter small for Amir. So let's go ahead and execute, and you see there Amir is returned, but not this Amir. Okay, so now if you are interested to get in, sometime we want to use in clause, right? So we would say, hey, give me all the records from customer table where a name is in Amir. So see right there, this is also case sensitive. So it is returning us only the record where name is equal to Amir. So if we want to do not in this value, so we can do that as well. So simply change with the n right here, this explanation mark, put it right there, and that will do it. Now you see that it is a case sensitive. So see, it only ignore where it is Amir, but return us Amir where it is a capital, or Amir AMIR where AIR is capital. So that works. Also, if you want to do case insensitivity, that's possible. So think about that. If you are interested to get all the records where first name is Amir, and you can see right there, now it ignored the case sensitivity. So that works just fine. Now, if we want to go other way around, we say, hey, get me all the records of where name not equal to Amir and sorry, not in Amir, then it is able to do that as well. So see right there, it is returning us all the records. So actually right here, I was supposed to put AAMIR. I have just added a IR at the end again. So it was supposed to be like this. So what I'm going to do, let me remove this, and then I'm gonna clear this table, or actually drop this table and recreate it. Let me execute and recreate and just that again. So this is what I was talking about. Okay, so we were right here. So now you see there, and we are saying, hey, give me all the records where, sorry, we have duplicate data. Anyways, it's all right. So now we are looking for all the records where first name is not equal to Amir here. So you can see right there, there is not a single record that is equal to the Amir. This is old data. How about I will just drop the table recreate, so it will help to clean up the data. We can always use dot clear data. So, but I already have written this statement, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, now this should be fine. Now we have only one set of data. Okay, so it is returning us all the records where name is not equal to Amir, and ignoring the case sensitivity, because we have three Amirs with the C right there, A capital, everything small, and then we have IR capital. So by using tilde, it ignores the case sensitivity. Now, if we are interested to see where our first name starts with A, that's possible. And we can do something like that. Hey, give me all the record where it starts with A, and does not care about case sensitivity. But if we want to go other way around, we say, hey, give me all the records where the first name should not start with A. So you put the exclamation mark right here, and that should do it. That's not operator. So right there, so now you're getting everything where your first name does not start with A. If you want to keep the case sensitivity, that's possible. So if you are looking for, hey, give me all the record where my first name starts with the A capital, A small, that's like this. So it is returning us only one record. If we want to do other way around, like, hey, give me all the records where not start with the case sensitive AA, so you're gonna ignore this record but to get everything else. So see right there, you got these records even, but because we are implementing case sensitivity here. Same way you have ends with and not ends with. So if I'm interested, like, hey, give me all the records where my first name not ends with IR, so it's gonna ignore all those records. In this case, Amer is the list of those tables. So see right there, AMIR, Amer here, this qualifies for this. And then we are saying not in, sorry, not ends with. So it means we are ignoring all that. So we are going to get the rest of that. If we want to implement the case sensitivity, we can do that. And we are saying, hey, ignore all the records where first name ends with the IR, but make sure this should be case sensitive. So it is small IR, right? So go ahead and run it, and you see that this is still showing because this is the IR is capital. If I will say IR like this, then means I would like to ignore this record which ends with this guy and return me everything. Now we will see Amer ending with small IRs. See right there, so it is coming through. So this is how you will be using NOT operator to get opposite records against what your contains or contains CS or in or all those starts with and all that shows you. By using NOT operator, you will get the opposite records. I hope this video will help. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.